Hi everybody, welcome back. So today we're going to do a pack with me for a 4-day trip. It's actually a 3-day trip plus 2-day, which is a travel day. And I've already put aside a few things and you saw me doing my list so I don't forget anything. I'm gonna try the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 packing method for this trip, and actually I've changed it a little bit because I have specific needs. One thing I'm actually not sure about is my shoe situation, because I know we're going to a family member's house to help them install AC in their house, and that's gonna take at least a full day. And also we're going to have some night out with friends. I'll decide that later. I think I'm gonna do boots and sneakers. Like I said, I've pulled a few things aside that I am absolutely sure I'm going to bring and I do not want to forget at all. One thing is my pajamas, because I always forget pajamas, I don't know why. This blanket that heats up, it's very necessary because I know his house is very cold. Some gifts I need to bring for family members that had their birthdays. I have chargers and also my medicine and my ring, which I'm probably gonna put on my finger right now because I don't want to lose it at all. Let's actually grab the clothes and everything and pack it all up. Okay, just one side note, socks and underwear, I always pack one extra just in case. And also for socks, what I've been doing is I pack 2 extras. One is just in case, and the second one I kind of use as slippers around the house. So for those, I'm taking these ones that have, little grippy things. That's gonna be my slippers on the house. This is pretty much all the clothes I'm bringing, plus my PJs. So I have, again, PJs, 4 tops. One of them I'm gonna wear today. Those tops go underneath each of those 2 sweaters. I got my underwear, 1 belt, and 2 pants. One of them I'm gonna use today for the traveling day. So let me remove everything that I'm be wearing today for my traveling day, and we'll just leave aside the things I'm going to be packing onto the backpack. Clothes for my backpack, clothes to wear today. As always, I'm also going to bring a bag for my dirty clothes. I'm gonna put all of this into this bag. I've put specifically the socks that I use as slippers last on the bag because I want to reach them as soon as I get there. So that's gonna be easy to do. And this is how the bag looks with everything in it. All I'm missing from this is actually my hygiene products. If this was summertime, I would probably share this backpack with my boyfriend, but because winter clothes are a little bit bulkier, specifically my sweatpants that I use as pajamas and also my sweater, that takes a lot of space, and also my socks take a lot of space. So I'm not going to be sharing this bag with my boyfriend. I am going to be sharing the hygiene pouch because we don't need two different ones because we're not going on an airport, we're driving. So yeah, I'm going to do that now. On the way to the bathroom, because I'm dumb and very clumsy, I broke my powder foundation container. So that's awesome. Yay. So I'm probably gonna put this in a bag so it doesn't get everything dirty. Very sad about this. Mostly angry at myself because I could have closed the bag and this would have not have happened. But Anyway, let me show you what's inside my toiletry bag. So the bag already had a few things. They belong to my boyfriend, so let's ignore that. Okay, let's do a test fit to see if it all fits in. Of course, this will not fit, but I'm gonna bring it in a different bag on the car, as well as the gifts, because I really want to be careful with these. So that was actually kind of easy. Let me get a bag for all of these things, and I'm gonna put this on my day-to-day bag that I use. But that's it, I'm packed, and now I'm gonna get ready to go. Okay, I'm gonna get dressed and then I'm gonna fix my hair and then make lunch. Always make sure to check everything 2 times or 3 times because I just did that now and I was almost forgetting to bring pads, which is actually very important for me to not forget this trip. Anyway. Just a side note. So never mind the background noise, just my cat wanting me to give her the good food even though it's not time for it. And she knows it. She doesn't want me to pet her. She goes to the kitchen every time. Okay, I'm not too good at doing these things, but just in case you want to know, this is the jacket I'm bringing, my bag that I always take, and this is the look. I have sweater underneath, I have a top, then black pants, jeans, and boots, sunglasses, because I'm always wearing sunglasses, and that's what I'm gonna bring today. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you in any way. And if it did, please like and subscribe. Anyway, please like and subscribe this video, and I'll leave another one on the screen for you to watch next. Okay? Bye!